and welcome back. Today we will see another data type which is of type sequence, and underneath sequence we have text sequence which is nothing but string. As we already know that string can be represented in two ways. Let me comment this out. Let's say x is equal to hello and y is equal to. String can be either represented by double quotes or single quotes. Okay, x contains double quotes and y contains single quotes. So to print a string we use print method. X and print y. Okay, let me execute this. Okay, we can also add two strings, and if I want to have a space between them, then I can also give a space and then add them together by using addition operator. So now we see hello world here. Okay, if we have a multi-line string, for example, if we have a passage or if we have a big string, then you can do that by using either 3 double quotes. That is, this is a multi-line string. Okay, and then we can print that by using print again, and you need to ensure that you either have single 3 quotes to begin with and 3 quotes to end with, or 3 double quotes to start with and 3 double quotes to end with. Okay, you can print the multi-line string like this. Multi-line, either start with 3 double quotes and end with 3 double quotes, or 3 single quotes to start with and 3 single quotes to end with. Both will yield the same result. For example, so this is also yielding the same result. I replaced 3 double quotes with 3 single quotes. Okay, now another thing to note here is if y is of type, say for example, numbers, then we cannot add these two in Python. You will get type error, can only concatenate string, not int to string. However, you can typecast this to a string and then concatenate it if needed. So if you are concatenating, then the two variables should be of string type. Strings are nothing but arrays of characters. So you can also use the index to get a particular character. For example, print x of 2. So if I execute this, h is at 0, e is at 1 and l is at second index. So that is why we got l here. Okay, so let us see whether we can use negative indexing here. Okay, let me execute this. Yes, we can also use negative indexing here. So this is printing O here. So this is using index. Now we can also use index range here. For example, print x of, say for example, 1 to 3. So this index range, which can be used with string, is also called slicing. Slicing is an important concept in terms of string in Python. By using range of index, we can also slice a particular string. Okay, so this will print EL, E and L, because it starts at 1. 0 is H and starts at 1, E, and stops at 3. So that is why we get EL. Let us look at some of the methods which are available with string. Let me define another string here called str is equal to you are learning Python and this is RajTech-Trainer. Okay, so this is a string, and let me add a space on both ends. So if we want to strip off a space at the beginning and space at the end, we can make use of a method strip. So we can print that value after stripping. So this will strip. See, if you look at this string, so there is no space in the beginning and space at the end. There are several methods available with string. For example, so we can also use capitalize here, value here, to capitalizing. So you can see wherever there is a capital letter, okay, like Y, P, Raj, T and T, so that has made into a smaller case. Okay, so we can also make use of, so let us try another method here. We can check whether it is in uppercase or lowercase by using is upper and is lower. So this is resulting in false. So this is not in uppercase. Okay, so print str dot. Okay, so let us make it as uppercase. Okay, now we got the string in uppercase letter. Okay, let us try another one. Print str dot count. I want to count the number of times A appears on this string. So I could also check this ends with, okay, tag trainer space. Okay, let me execute this first. Okay, so A appeared 5 times within this string, and it ends with tag trainer with space in it. One more important thing is we can use find method with the specified string in it. Let's say Raj. Okay, let me execute this. It should give you the index value. So this is at index, starting index of Raj, that is at 37. So let us try another one. So let us use replace here. So instead of Python, I will use JavaScript. Okay, so let us try another one. str. So let us split the string by providing the value here. So that will split the string into two, and this will become one string, and this part will become another string. Okay, let me execute this. Okay, now it says, okay, so we have replaced here Python with JavaScript. Now we don't have Python here, instead we have JavaScript, and split has split this into an array. There are several other methods which are available with string. So if you type in str dot, then you get a list of methods which are available. You can try out some of these methods, and if you need an explanation on any of these methods, then you get back to me and I will try to make another video out of it. That is about strings.